Q naught is equals to CH power 1 by 2. And then we have find out the transfer function for the system. Nonlinear tank system. There's a single tank system. HS upon QS is equals to R1 upon tau S plus 1. Right? Where R1 equals to this one. That the time constant tau is equals defined by A into R1. Right? So this is the one of the easiest method to handle the nonlinear characteristic of any function. Here we have seen if the system is nonlinear, if the set of nonlinear equation is present, and there are so many numbers of variables are there, then the method to find out the linearization is this one. Okay, what you have done in this, using the Taylor series, you have differentiated, you have expanded the function each equation by differentiating by each variable, right? So इस तरीके से आप लोगों ने you have find out the ABCD parameters. ABCD question. I have given this question, but I have not posted in the classroom. So today I will post it, officially posted in the classroom, so that you can solve this problem and you can submit the problem by 5:30. Okay, by 5:30, if 1 minute be late, then it late. Okay. So this is the problem we have discussed also yesterday, mixing problem and the blending problem. Okay. And this we have already told, this mixing problem and blending problem is little bit different with the mass transfer. It was based on the the component balance. Okay. Then we have all, this is again the blending process. Okay, now we are going to solve the heating process. How the heating what are you doing?
हेलो सर.
Yes, yes.
सर कल वाली वीडियो भी अपलोड कर दिएगा सर. कल प्रेजेंट मतलब कल छूट गया था
Okay,
क्लास,
okay,
तो वो देख के कर लेंगे.
sorry, मैं मुझे पहले ही करना चाहिए था, मैं भूल गया. ओके, कर दूंगा, अभी करता हूँ क्लास के बाद, जस्ट क्लास के बाद कर देता हूँ. ठीक है,
थैंक यू
आपको
सर.
ओके, सॉरी. So basically this is the heating process. So in this case we have to find out the transfer function. And all this we have seen the example of the first order system. This is the first order system, right? This is the first order system. So it will ask in the examination or the quiz problem, is the tank system or the blending system or the single mixing process system in the tank is which type of nature, मतलब transfer function किस तरीके का होगा. So you have to told this is the first order system. Okay. Now the question is in this process how we are going to model the model the system. Okay. So in order to that, you can see here the W is the flow of the liquor going to enter in the tank, and at the same flow rate the product will leave. Okay. Ti is the temperature of inlet of the fluid, where the T is the outlet temperature of the fluid, right? Q amount of steam is going to added in this tank. As per the requirement, the control system is not added shown here. So, but we assume that the Q amount of heat is going to entered in this tank with the help of either the power system or with the help of steam. Most of the industry uses the steam in place of electricity. 99% of the process equipments used in the industry are operated on the steam, not on the electricity directly. Okay, electricity is used to produce the steam, and then that steam is going to enter in the tank in the any process equipment. Okay, so in this case, this case, the steam is going to enter into this tank with the amount of Q amount of heat, right? Now, before going into the model part, you have to know what is the unit of the specific heat. Anybody can tell me what is the unit of a specific heat? Yes, student. Can anyone tell me?
सर ये पर ग्राम मतलब ये लेते हैं इसको, मतलब ये हीट कैपेसिटी पर यूनिट ग्राम, जो भी होता है ग्राम या फिर पर यूनिट लीटर.
जूल पर केजी
पर डिग्री केल्विन, है ना, इस तरीके से होता है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द enthalpy. So ultimately what we have to do, ये heating process है, तो heating process में क्या जा रहा होगा और क्या निकल रहा है, मतलब which type of transfer balance you want from the system. You have to assume that it is either the mass transfer or the component transfer or the heat transfer. Which type of balance you want from the system? Obviously
Energy balance.
energy balance. Good. So we have to write the energy balance equation here. Energy balance means heat balance. Heat balance means we have to write heat balance, energy balance. It means joule per second हमें चाहिए. हमें system से what we want joule per second. Okay. So in order to find out the joule per second, in order to make the joule per second, हमें क्या लिखना? This is the volumetric flow rate. So kg per meter, sorry meter, क्या हो जाएगा volumetric flow rate का unit? Please, volumetric flow rate meter cube
per second.
Meter cube per second. So it becomes meter cube per second, right? Sorry, it is the flow rate kg per second in the kg per second. Okay, kg per second, and this is the enthalpy. Sorry, specific heat. It given me the joule per kg per into Kelvin, and this is the temperature. I will elaborate why Ti minus T reference is written here, but before that, I'm just balancing the equation. So this is the kg per second into enthalpy is this one. Sorry, this is not enthalpy. Specific heat is this one, and this is the temperature. So temperature in the Kelvin. So if you balance all the equation, it gives only the joule per second. Okay. So this is we want, okay, from the system. So same equation for the input, in minus out. This is the in, this is the out. So out equation in minus out plus whatever we added in the system in the form of heat. Okay. So this is the Q amount is going to added, and what are the temperature accumulated inside the tank. So the temperature accumulated inside the tank is given by the formula d by dt of temperature. It means again d by dt, temperature ही आपका accumulate हो रहा है in the system. So it is the Kelvin per second, right? Kelvin per second, and when you multiply it with the joule per kg Kelvin, joule per kg into Kelvin, okay, into the volume. Sorry, volume means meter. It is a meter cube, okay, and the density is the mass upon volume, kg upon meter cube. So again, it will give the joule per second. Joule per second. Okay. So it is basically the energy balance equation, nothing else. Now the question is why we have written Ti minus T reference. Can anybody tell me what is the logic behind writing the T minus T reference? It may be the WC into T. Okay. Why we are writing delta T, or what is the T reference here? Sorry.
सर ये सराउंडिंग तक का टेम्परेचर होगा सर.
टेम्परेचर चेंज पे हम लोग ये लगाते हैं, ये जो भी मतलब बैलेंसिंग करते हैं वो
राइट डेल्टा टी होगा क्योंकि हमें टेम्परेचर चेंज चाहिए. यस राइट, बट व्हाई वी हैव टेकन द टी रेफरेंस ओनली. टी रेफरेंस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टी रेफरेंस?
कंसीडर हो जाएगा ना, और हमें तो रूम टेम्परेचर.
Very good. We have considered here. Why? Because T reference gives the temperature of the operating system. Okay. अगर वो if I have not considering T reference, it means we are taking the 0 degrees Celsius. We are comparing the temperature. Suppose we are going to increase your water temperature from 10 degrees Celsius or something 27 degrees Celsius or 30 degrees Celsius. So the reference temperature was 30 degree, 20 degree, or whatever 10 degrees Celsius, and by that temperature 10 degrees we are going to increase the temperature of that system. Therefore, Ti minus T reference is written here. Okay. Same here. Okay, for the product side, and whatever the Q is, and same here. Okay. So in this sense, in this order, you have to find out you have written the balance equation of the system. Okay. Now at the steady state, what happened? At the steady state, when you write, it becomes, when you write TIS, it becomes TS. Okay, T reference will cancel out. Okay, understood ना? At T reference and T reference, at TIS बन जाएगा, ये आपका TIS बन जाएगा, TS बन जाएगा. Okay, जब माइनस करोगे तो ये cancel out हो जाएगा. Okay, तो ये equation आएगा Q और ये बन जाएगा QS at the steady state value. And as you know very well, at the steady state there is no accumulation, there is no change, or d by dt becomes a constant. Okay, d by dt of any constant becomes 0, so it will give the 0, right? So the equation is very simple. And when you minus this, equation number 1 minus equation number 2, then you got this equation. Okay. And after applying the Laplace transform on the system, you will got the transfer function like this: T dash upon Qs. T dash means the temperature accumulated in the system and whatever the heat is going to apply. So your ultimate control is to control the steam, by which you can control the temperature of the tank inside, temperature inside the system or the tank. Okay. So this is the input, this is the output. Okay. Ultimately, you have to control the temperature with the help of this Q. Okay. Or with the help, you can also find out the output from T dash upon Qs also, Ws also. Okay. So this is it is your choice by which parameter you are going to control. Okay. So next, is it any doubt up to this point? Otherwise, I will move on the next slide. Is there a problem? You may ask. हाँ जी, प्रॉब्लम है किसी को? ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट. I assume that. Okay, so in the previous all example you have seen the example of lumped parameter system. Now we have already discussed the different model of the system. Different model of the system we have discussed previously, and the type of model we have seen. You can find from, yes, you have seen this. We have discussed the, क्या बताया था मैंने, कहाँ गया वो? Yes, this one, the lumped parameter model and the distributed parameter. Okay, so in all the example we have discussed till the example of the lumped parametric model. Why it is a lumped parametric model? Now please tell me what is the meaning of lumped and distributed parameter model. First of all, you tell me, then I will move. Yes, Srishti Banga. Srishti Banga. Center. Sugat. नहीं बताया. Roll number 2, Achit Bajaj.
Yes, sir.
2, Achit Bajaj.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by distributed parametric model and the lumped parametric model?
Distributed parametric model means then when the variable depends upon the space, and the lumped parametric model means when there is only one point. It only depends upon time.
And in the case of the distributed parametric model?
It also depends on time and space and or position, you can say.
Okay. Roll number 3, Kasture.
Yes, sir.
Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Or any change?
No, sir.
Huh?
I agree with him.
So all the previous problem, all the problems are the lumped parametric model. Aditya Saxena. Aditya Kumar, do you want to comment on the previous example? Either they are the distributed parametric model or the lumped parametric model. What is your comment?
सर लंप नहीं होगा क्योंकि हम सब में सिर्फ टाइम के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ, क्योंकि पर सेकंड में हम बात कर रहे हैं ना, जो भी हो रहा है वॉल्यूमेट्रिक फ्लो में भी मीटर क्यूब पर सेकंड हुआ, या फिर एनर्जी में भी हम जूल पर सेकंड में ही बात कर रहे हैं.
See here, good. नहीं कर रहे हैं, जबरदस्ती थोड़ी कर रहे हैं, करना पड़ रहा है हमें. देखिए, let's say why we are using the stirrer in the tank, and we are assuming that the temperature of this point and the temperature of this point and the temperature of this point and temperature of this point are the same. ये assume कर रहे हैं ना हम लोग, yes or no? We are assuming that, na? Let's say we are supplying the heat here.
Yes, sir.
So the temperature of this point may be varying from the temperature of this up to this point. Yes or no? But we are assuming that overall the temperature inside the tank is a constant, and the temperature T, overall temperature is T inside this tank. And therefore it is independent of the space. It is independent of the space. Okay, only varying with the time. Whatever the temperature is changing, it is only varying with the time. As the time passes, the temperature is either increasing or decreasing, but not with this space, with not this coordinate. Okay. Now, in this case, the heat conduction in a solid. Heat conduction in a solid example is basically the example of, the distributed parametric model. Distributed parametric model. Why I am saying distributed parametric model? Because the heat is supplying from this point, okay, and this is the one of the slab, okay, one of the conductive slab. So the temperature at this is the coordinate, let's say 0. We have started from the 0, and this is the x point, and the increment in the x is x plus delta x, and let's say this coordinate is L. So this temperature is varying as we are going inside this slab, okay, by the coordinate. So at the x place, or at the x plus delta place, x, or at the L, all the temperature are different. Temperature in this point, at this point, are the different. So we want to model such type of system. Okay, in order to find out the transfer function, or in order to find out the model the system, we have to use the concept of distributed parametric model. Okay, we have categorized such type of model into the distributed parametric. So it is changing with the space as well as the time. Time के साथ भी change कर रहा है, space के साथ भी change. Or how the temperature is changing with the space, it is find out with the help of Fourier law, Fourier transfer. And it is given by the famous equation Q is equals to minus K delta T by del X. Why it is a minus? Because as we are going inside the system, it is basically gradient, and the gradient is in the decreasing function. Gradient is the decreasing function. So what is the Q? Q is the heat flux by the conduction. K is the thermal conductivity, and delta T by del X is the temperature gradient. Temperature gradient to decreases as we are going to do. So any question up to this point? Slab area is A. Okay. तो आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है ट्रांसफर फंक्शन. एनी क्वेश्चन? कैन यू प्रोसीड फर्दर? Now see what the target. Now the target is we are writing the equation. Simply we are writing the equation, the energy balance equation. So how the energy balance equation is done? So in minus out is equals to accumulation, nothing else. In minus out is equals to accumulation. So in कितना हो रहा है? Q amount of heat is going to enter the heat flow, heat conduction है, and when this Q K into delta by del X, this K into del C multiplied with the area, whatever the area of the slab, इस इतने एरिया में इतना आपने हीट मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. दिस इज द माइनस साइन, ऑलरेडी इट इज द माइनस, यू कैन सी हियर. तो दिस द इन माइनस आउट एट एक्स प्लस डेल्टा एक्स. वी हैव दिस पॉइंट पे और एक्स प्लस डेल्टा एक्स पॉइंट पे ये कितना आया, उसमें से इन माइनस आउट कर दिया. ओके, एंड दिस इज द एक्युमुलेशन टर्म, नथिंग एल्स. दिस इज द एक्युमुलेशन टर्म. इज इट ओके? यस और नो? इट इज ओके. बस आपको ये करना है, डी बाई डी टी ऑफ सेम एक्युमुलेशन इज इन द रेट ऑफ द टाइम. डी बाई डी टी है, टेम्परेचर ही आपका डी बाई डी टी हो रहा है ना. इट इज ऑल रिटेन ड्यू टू द बैलेंसिंग इक्वेशन. Due to the balancing equation, A into delta X becomes volume. This is the density mass upon volume. Volume cancel, and this is again joule per kg Kelvin. So Kelvin cancel, again becomes joule per second. Okay, so this is the balance equation, nothing else. So delta by del T C rho A delta X T minus TR equal to in minus out, whatever the temperature at the position X plus delta X, right? Now we are going to rearrange only. A delta x, we have divided by this A delta x, okay? So A cancel to each other and the equation becomes this. Now tell me, A delta T x, delta T by del x at position x plus delta x minus K delta T by del x at x. What is this? ये है क्या? बता सकता है? F T plus delta T minus of ft divided by del t.
Sir, limit.
Delta t tends to 0. What is this?
Del f
The
by del
ये
t.
Del f by del t.
del f.
It is a derivative. It is a derivative basically. So it again gives the derivative. It means k delta t by del x becomes second derivative delta 2t by delta x square. Okay? Because we are assuming delta x is very small. Okay, we are assuming that delta x is very small and becomes the equation, final equation becomes this. Okay, this is. So when you formalize or when you rearrange this k delta k by rho c gives the alpha value. So this is the alpha into delta 2 by delta x square. This is. So this is the one of the equation we have just only derived, but it is not the transfer function. Can anyone tell me how the transfer function will find of this function? It is very interesting, See, for the transfer function, now it's explicit. In order to find out the transfer function, 100% it is very important. Okay. See the magic of the mathematics. क्या शानदार mathematics use है देखो इसमें. So what we have done, in order to find out a transfer function, we are taking the advantages of the definition of the Laplace transform. So Laplace transform से क्या? What is the Laplace transform? Laplace transform is nothing but the 0 to infinite ft e to the power minus st dt. यही होता है ना? Yes or no? Yes or no? This is the Laplace of.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is, in order to find out the transfer function, this is the ft now. ft into e to the power minus st dt to infinite. It becomes the Laplace. We have taken the Laplace of the function. So this equation, we are applying the Laplace transform. So this equation is basically, you can see here, is the dependent on the x as well as the time. Space dependent temperature dependent time period. So therefore, we are applying just the Laplace transform in this equation. Now we have considered the first integral on the left hand side. हमने ये equation ले लिया, let's say. तो delta इसको हमने बाहर ले लिया, delta 2 by del x square, just integrating this point. Okay, so integrating इसको करना है, आप इसको ले लीजिएगा, तो क्या बन जाएगा आपका? Simply will becomes the, क्या हो गया? What is this? In the Laplace form. The Laplace transform. Okay, so d by d2 is ऐसे लिख दिया हमने इसको कंप्लीट में d2 by dx square और ये हो गया आपका Laplace. Is it clear? So इसको Laplace में लिख लिया. अच्छा, राइट साइड को जो आप Laplace करेंगे तो what is the Laplace of this one? So delta t by इसको क्या लिखेंगे? st minus t0 initial condition. So with the term, ये आपका first term in the left hand side, this is the right hand side, okay? Or initial condition we have assumed, let's say at this slab, and the initial condition temperature was 0, the temperature was not, we have assumed that 0, okay? Maybe the varying, तो यहाँ से आपने 0 ले लिया और 0 लेने के बाद the equation becomes this one, okay? Now our target is to find out the transfer function. Now, so it is the simple differential equation. It's the simple differential equation. Okay. Temperature with respect to x, second order differential equation, just to solve it. Okay. So when we got solve this equation t bar is equals to a1 e to the power minus this and it's you solve कर सकते हैं. इधर differential equation है simple. तो जब इसको solve किया हमने तो ultimately हमारा ये equation आया कि लेंथ के साथ और मतलब आपका इस लेंथ पे यहां से और यहां से क्या इसका वेरिएशन है? t at L this point, t at this point. Okay, so we have find out the temperature at the L in the form of Laplace transform. The temperature is 0 in the form of this. We have find out. Okay, so this is the अल्टीमेट ट्रांसफर फंक्शन। ओके, तो आपको इसके रेफरेंस के लिए द बुक आई एम रेफरिंग कफनर, COGHNAWR, तो इट इज अवेलेबल, पब्लिकली अवेलेबल ऑन द वेबसाइट, है ना, वेबसाइट पे आप इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। कफनर, the title of the book is Process Control Analysis, I think. Process Control and Analysis and something else, I don't know, but I will post in the after the class in the classroom. Okay, right? So now I'm coming to the next portion, that is the state space technique. So how the state space technique is going to written in the form of the equation, just to see. And this portion is, covering in your the model control system also. So this is the equation already you have written in the previous slide. The mechanical system, the damper, mass, and the spring is connected with the some beam, and due to that some type of force is going to applied on this mass, and therefore some displacement is going to happen. Okay, so this is the y. Okay, तो आपने क्या किया, तो आपको यहाँ पर, sorry, this is the x, so this is the f is the output, and x whatever the distance displacement is given, taken in the form of the input. Okay, so this equation is written, तो सिंपल इक्वेशन है, मास के लिए आप लिख सकते हैं m into d2 by dx by dt स्क्वायर, है ना, जो भी है, और स्प्रिंग के लिए kx, एंड डैम्पर के लिए आप लिख सकते हैं b into v, it means b dx by dt, right? ये आपको पता है, तो based on that you can written here. Okay, so we have assumed that the mass m is the mass, f is the frictional force, that is the damping force, k is the spring constant, okay, u is the input, and y is the output. Okay, so आप इस equation को you can write. Now we have assumed that x1t is nothing but the yt, x1t is the yt, and x2t is the differentiation of yt, that is the x1 dot t. So it becomes, the equation becomes now, how you can write, so you can write x2t, x2t means that the y dot t, okay, आप इसको इस फॉर्म में आप लिख सकते हैं। तो इस तरीके से आप इक्वेशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। यू हैव ऑलरेडी गॉन थ्रू इन द मॉडर्न कंट्रोल सिस्टम, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिटेल्स ऑफ इट।
हेलो सर, जो आप पहला जो क्वेश्चन दिए थे सर, उसका सलूशन नहीं बताया।
किसका आपने आपको क्वेश्चन?
एक दिन पहला क्वेश्चन दिए थे सर, वो ऐसा ही स्प्रिंग वाला।
ये वाला?
यस सर।
ये वाला तो सॉल्व नहीं किया, बहुत लोगों ने सॉल्व किया इसको।
लेकिन सलूशन सर सही किए या नहीं किए ये कैसे पता?
अच्छा, आपको सॉल्यूशन चाहिए, मैं आपको पोस्ट कर देंगे, फिर इसको मुझे कल परसों तक करूंगा, ठीक है, वीकेंड में कर दूंगा, वीकेंड आई विल डू, ताकि इस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन पब्लिकली अवेलेबल है। सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हैव डन, एक मैसेज भी किया था कि सर मैंने देख के किया है लेकिन मुझे समझ में आ गया। अप्रिशिएट, लोग अल्टीमेटली समझना ही है कि इसका ट्रांसफर फंक्शन फाइंड आउट करना है, कैसे हुआ ये देख के कीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट कॉन्सेप्ट को आपको यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, है ना, कॉन्सेप्ट आपको समझना है कि वो कैसे हो रहा है। This is a very simple example. In your examination, maybe the problem is coming like this. This is the tank, one tank going in the second tank. Okay, and this is connected like this one. Okay, and then it is going into the single tank. Okay, so and we have to find the transfer function from this and this height h. We have to find the transfer function hs upon qs. So such type of problem may be asked. So therefore, you have to very attentive, so that you have to know each and every stage, the transfer function of each and every stage. How to find the transfer function of this system, of this interacting type of system, where what are the different method to connect the different tanks. Okay, it will be, if you have to know. Now come to the next part. So I'm coming to this is the generalized equation. You know all the things. X1 dot, x2 dot, x1 up to this x है ना, तो ये आपका क्या बन जाएगा, दिस द सिंपली दिस द स्टेट स्पेस इक्वेशन, this is the A matrix, this is the B matrix, okay, and y is represented by the y is equal to c. So it is already going to going into this modern control system. Now I'm coming to the next topic, that is the very important, that the non-interacting system. In the process industry, the two different tanks or more than two tanks are connected with each other, or two process equipments are connected with each other in the different fashions. Okay, what are the different fashion? So one connection is defined by the non-interacting, another is defined by the interacting. First system is defined by the non-interacting, and second is defined by the interacting. What is the difference between them? So you can see with the picture. Just to see both the picture one by one, so that you can zoom them for a minute, so that I can simultaneously. Okay, now you can visualize both the picture. So this is the non-interacting system, but this is the interacting system. Right. So what is the difference between them? Please tell me. Anyone? क्या समझ में आ रहा है? Difference between the connection. This is the pipe.
Sir,
Yes, this is the pipe. Okay, and this is the
लेवल सर,
yes, the pipe. Yes,
लेवल का फर्क है ना सर,
level का फर्क.
इनपुट ऊपर से दे रहे हैं, इसमें इनपुट नीचे से दे रहे हैं सर, सेकंड वाले
सर एक ये अंतर है दोनों में।
दोनों के जो लेवल होगा ना, वो होता है ना कि सेम
लेवल सर,
लेवल पे
लेवल
होता है
सर।
सर।
एक वक्त आदित्य कुमार, यस, क्या बोल रहे हो?
जो इंटरेक्टिंग सिस्टम है ना सर, उसमें लेवल जो होगा सेम ही होगा। जैसे पहले वाले कंटेनर में जो H1 हाइट है, अगर वो H2 से कम हो गया, H2 को भी कम होना पड़ेगा, वापस वो उधर फ्लो हो सकता है।
पे तो एक पाइप लेके और दो बकेट को ऐसे खराब कर देना, मतलब ऐसे ही चेक करने के लिए, और एक कांस्टेंट फ्लो ऑफ वाटर ऊपर से डालना, और उसके बाद देखना क्या होता है। इट इज अ प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम। अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी डोंट हैव दिस सच टाइप ऑफ
सर मेरे हिसाब से सर, मतलब जैसे उसमें पहले वाले सिस्टम में जो है, तो मतलब उसमें जो भी हम इनपुट देते रहेंगे, पहले तो वो स्टेडी स्टेट पे दोनों तरफ हाइट इक्वल हो जाएगा, फिर वो इस तरह से ऐड होते जाएगा कि दोनों तरफ हाइट इक्वल आ जाए। लेकिन दूसरी तरफ क्या होगा कि सर वो नीचे से बस आउटपुट, अब मतलब इनपुट जितना भी दें, दूसरे में वो आउटपुट मतलब भरते जाएगा, वो उसका कोई ये नहीं है, रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है।
ये तो रिस्पांस देखने की बात है। चलो ठीक। When we compare the response of the both the systems, then we sound me to please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Okay. When you compare both the response of the system, interacting as well as non-interacting, as we have sketched here, okay, then you can compare the the response. ये मैंने response लिखा नहीं है क्या? Where is the response of the system? This is the. I think I left. Okay, no problem. I'll produce. So when you compare the response of both the system, then only you can comment on the height and the flow of the fluid. Okay, तभी आप comment कर सकते हैं इसके height कैसे vary करेगा, how the height is going to vary. However, the main difference in the initial scenario, आप उसको शुरुआत में ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि ये क्या डिफरेंस है मोटा मोटी नॉन इंटरेक्टिंग और इंटरेक्टिंग में. So in this case of the non-interacting tank, the output of the second tank that is going to the output of the first tank that is going into the internal second tank is in the connection or is in the position of the direct contact of air. However, आप देख सकते हैं कि यहां से जो वाटर आ रहा है आप इसको एयर के कांटेक्ट से आप इसमें दे रहे हैं. However, in this case, both the bucket or both the tanks are interconnected with the help of one pipe, and here one valve is connected. यहाँ भी आपका valve connected है, but this water or this fluid is going to enter without any contact of the air. Okay, so यहाँ से यहाँ direct चला जा रहा है with the help of some valve control. Here also, but we are going to this flow is in the direct touch of the air. Okay, this is the only difference, nothing else. But the response of both the system, when you simulate the system, as we have simulated the non-interacting system, we can see how this will differ. Okay, now the question is find out the transfer function of the non-interacting system. So tomorrow we will going to discuss these things in the detail. ठीक है, कल इसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि नॉन इंटरेक्टिंग सिस्टम का कैसे और इंटरेक्टिंग सिस्टम का कैसे ट्रांसफर फंक्शन फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ठीक है, सो आइडिया इज you can see here, this is the one of the example, one of the example may be asked in the examination of the quiz. आप इसको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, सिंपल आपको ट्रांसफर फंक्शन फाइंड आउट यहाँ से यहाँ तक, है ना. तो इस तरीके का प्रॉब्लम बन सकता है. दिस इज द इंटरेक्टिंग सिस्टम, हाउएवर दिस इज द नॉन इंटरेक्टिंग सिस्टम. ओके, ओवरऑल आपको ट्रांसफर फंक्शन फाइंड आउट करना है, राइट. So how this will be simulated, how we are going to control, we will see later. Okay, tomorrow. ठीक है, इसको कैसे कल मॉडल करेंगे हम लोग कल. Any question you want to ask? Any question you want to ask? No? Okay.
सर दोनों सिस्टम्स में लेवल ऑफ वाटर तो सेम तरह वेरी करेगा ना, मतलब उसमें भी जो इंटरेक्शन होगा वाटर का लेवल का सेम तरह से होगा, अगर उसका कम हो रहा है तो
बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. मैं तुमको कल दिखाऊंगा, बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. ये दोनों का आप रिस्पॉन्स जब कंपेयर, तो दोनों को साथ में कंपैरिजन करके आपको दोनों को सामने रखेंगे, आपको पता लग जाएगा. अगर आपको ज्यादा होगा तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे कल, जस्ट वी टेक द सिमुलेशन ऑन द मैटलैब and you can see the response, right, tomorrow. ठीक है, कल इसमें मैटलैब में तुमको रिस्पॉन्स पहले मॉडल करते हैं, then if time will permit tomorrow, then we will simulate the system on the MATLAB. Otherwise, day after tomorrow or the next class, we will simulate on the MATLAB and see the response.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other query? I'm not commenting which one is the fast, which one is the slow, and how the height is going to vary. We will comment with the help of the result of the simulation, right? In the similar environment. In the similar environment, we will going to simulate the system, both the system, then we will decide. Okay? चलो ठीक है फिर.